Namhlanje besila Benedictine Hospital size nje ngodaba olubalekile lokuthi kunomuntu wokufika ongeyena wala South Africa orana i-tuck shop ngaphakathi esibhedlela. Ngize nje lana ke ukuzozwa kwemanagement ukuthi wenzeke kanjani. Ngiphezelwe ngabafowethu be NCF okuyinongoma sin forum abathena babasijoyine ukuzohlangana nemanagement okumangazayo ke nokho ukuthi uCEO uyithola engafuni ukukhuluma nathi umanqika kodwa waqhetha ukuthi asinikeze i-date i-appointment. Asinankinga nalokho ngoba phela kuba nje ukukhuluma naye ngoba sifuna ukufika kusisombululo sokuthi lo muntu wasePakistan wangena kanjani la ngaphakathi esibhedlela. Kodwa okujabulisayo ukuthi before azafika uCEO lo muntu uyena osespaza shop tuck shop yalana ukwazile ukusitshela ukuthi mangimbuza ukuthi wangena kanjani la wakwazi ukucacisa ukuthi cha akana agreement ne department or noma no public works kodwa wangena ngomunye umuntu owayekade khona la tuck shop kodwa okuvelayo futhi kuyena lo muntu ukuthi uyarenta. Umbuzo ke uthi le mali ayirentayo icollectwa ubani uma engenayo agreement kanye ne department, okusho ukuthi ziningi impendulo eyishodayo la ukuthi sikubecethwa ngena kanjani ngeyena wala South Africa. Umbuzo uthi urenta kubani, lo mali yakubani, nanokuthi mangena agreement anayo nomnyango kwenzeka kanjani. Should anyone can come la esibhedlela operate nje kungabe indaba zalutho. Yilento ke silula yokuthi ukuthi ke kumele la esibhedlela kungene umuntu wala eSouth Africa wala kwaNongoma ngoba akwazi ukuthi ngathiwa akekho umuntu kwaNongoma ongarani i-tuck shop, akekho umuntu wasizweni ongarani i-tuck shop, akekho KZN ongarani i-tuck shop, South Africa yonke kuze kufika ePakistan. So ke njenge Action SA ke silapha ngalokho nje ukuthi zizolwela amalungelo abantu South Africa. Futhi ngisho ukuthi asicwasi, asizondi abantu bangaphandle kodwa sithanda abantu bala South Africa kakhulu. Uthando labantu South Africa esizilela kakhulu. Njoba ngila nje Benedictine ukuthanda abantu bakithi. Le yenzeka la cha ngesivume. Njoba nje enginike i-date mfune ngibuyela mhla ka-20 kuMarch. Ngizobuya futhi ngizombona uCEO. Angisho nje ukuthi ke hey attitude iyangimangaza mina for umuntu okule position akuyona. Angiqali ukufika lana ngingafika emavikini adlulile ngihamba lelungu leParliament sizokhuluma indaba yokushoda kwemithi. I-arrogance kaCEO ayihambisani isikhundla akusona. Engicabanga ukuthi ke ngiyafisa ukuthi mhlawumbe umnyango ukwazi ukukhuluma naye mhlawumbe noma traineke ngendaba ukukhunywa kanjani nabantu ngoba akuyona indlela yokutreat abantu lena yokuthi ungathi ukukhuluma nawo abantu bese wena ufuna ukuthi udetecte ukuthi abaphume office ubize security. Indlela akhuluma ngayo ayikhombisi umuntu okuyimanagement nomuntu okwazi ukuhlonipha nabanye abantu ngoba njengoba sila kwaNongoma uNongoma vele indawo yekile kodwa sinemqondo, so we expect abantu afika kwaNongoma esihloniphe nathi njengoba sibahlonipha nathi njengoba simhlonipha nakahlonipha soNongoma. So wonke umuntu kwaNongoma ahlonipheke regardless of a position kumele akwazi ukulalelwa. Angingabi ukuthi umuntu aklaswe ngokuthi ngoba nakho mhlambe mina ngumholi so ngidala mina abanye abantu abalaleli. Sifisa ukuthi wonke umuntu uma engena esibhedlela alalelwe regardless of a position.
According to my calendar or my diary, I didn't have any appointments with anyone today. So I think I'm saying overbooked for the day. Hello? Hello?
Ngicela kodwa vele sonke sihamba ngento eyodwa. Angiboni nomehluko khona.
Yeah. Okay, that's fine. All right. 2 minutes, fine.
Ngoba kuzokudlela isikhathi ukho lokho. Manisihamba ngento eyodwa kodwa ke
No, still, I think I would not allow ngoba njengoba sengichaza ukuthi I don't have any appointment with anyone mhlawumbe-ke those who didn't make appointments namhlanje singacela ukuthi bafone i-office lami ngeke appointments. We cannot have this sitting right now. Abakamasipala mhlawumbe sesingakhuluma nabo esayidini sizwe ukuthi baze ngani. Angazi noma bekuwena official.
Cela nje ukubingelela i-sitting ngasho kanjani.
Unfortunately we cannot. Unfortunately we cannot.
Angazi uma usewenanizwa.
Uyafuna lalela ungafuna
No, so
But siyo la siyo. Cha with due respect. Nafu ukulalela phela.
No. Before sifika
Ukulalela nawe.
kwingcikeza ngithi kumele kube nendlela esenza ngayo.
Usakhuluma ngithi usukumlalela uthini.
Ngebhayibheli okwamanje I cannot allow ngizofika kuwe ngoba sengizokuthi uyoze kwamasipala. So ngizokhuluma nawe. Uma kuthi uze esibhedlela uze kimi uzokhuluma nami sizokusufika la. But I need to know ukuthi ubani okhona la uze ngokuthini la.
Okay, mina ngizosho.
Uyabona njengamanje without my consent ngiya Facebook. Angazi ngifika kanjani ku Facebook. So if this meeting is not going to be a meeting yala confidential, then ngizocela ukuthi sivale kungani ngingazomvumela ukuthi ushaqala. So singayivala meeting, then anyone who needs to make an appointment with amasipala, then we'll take it outside. So kulumane.
Okay, I should arrange an appointment not to tell me ngizengani siyosho.
Ngizocela ukuthi usisithe bayasipotha ukuthi besizosala ama-officials amasipala ongashiwo amasipala sabo.
Anufuna appointment.
Angisesenze manje. Yabo njengoba ngisho ukuthi namhlanje bengenama-appointment.
Phela yenze phela appointment abala ngithi basingaphakathi wena ufuna ukuthi hayi ke ngoba namhlanje ikho appointment appointment for this day.
Hayi ngoba ukuthi abanye sithi vele uMuslim nokuthi abakhuluma laba abanye ukuthi then it's fine.
No,
we can excuse them.
Sithula ngoba sonke size ngefanayo njengoba bekhuluma nje nabo ungabalaleli silinde ukuthi beqede bese nathi siyakhuluma.
Unfortunately we're not going to have i-talk namhlanje. Yabo nje uMuslim nxa ngethukela appointment senginothile sizokwenza appointment Muslim now then umuntu amasipala sikhulume naye. Unfortunately, I'm overcommitted namhlanje. I won't.
What if umasipala uhamba nathi sisonke?
Hayi phela umuntu wamasipala uyazi sizokhuluma naye on a professional level uzo-understand ukuthi sikhuluma naye. Yikho ngifuna ukukhuluma eceleni. What if akubi lula nje kanjalo? Obviously ngicela ukuthi usisebenzele nje ngicabanga ukuthi engasengibazi ukuthi namba abanye siyazi.
Sandela weekend.
Ngela i-appointment ngoba lesi siyadinga.
Ngizocela ukuthi
Asiqala ukufika nathi kahle kahle.
Sanibona. Mhlambe ngiyamuzwa umphathi ngiyabaza abahlonishwa. Kungaba ukuthi sihlukene la ngokwegaba kodwa size ngento eyodwa. Mhlambe nendlela esisebenza ngayo. Ngoba ngiyayizwa le ebekwa ngumphathi ukuthi bekungekho xhumana in terms of ukuthi sicela uba nomhlangano singobani. So ngicabanga ukuthi ukuyithatha lapho ekuthenini if kumasipala nobaba uMncwane bonke abakhona lapha bahamba umfowethu okhamba kwamasipala uMncwane noma bahamba ngegaba zabo bona ngokwehlukana. So ngicabanga ukuthi ufuna ukuya lapho umphathi ukuze sibe clear ukuthi abakhona bayayithatha bathatha baxhumana bakhuluma bavumelana ne-appointment ukuthi cha usuku ilolu sizohlangana size ngalokho. Ngicabanga ufuna ngizama ukuthola ngakuyena ngoba thina as members ukuthi kunomhlangano masipala noMuslim Mncwane bakhona not knowing ukuthi kune team ekhona ngaphakathi. So ngicabanga ukuthi ufuna ukuya lapho umphathi ukuze sibe right.
Hayi ngicabanga ukuthi mina ngokuhlonipha akayenzi appointment. Mina ngiqela ukubuya. Ngoba lokho kuze ngiyafuna sikukhuluma. Asiyenzi appointment ngihamba ngidate namhlanje. Iloko nje ngifisa mina. Ngicabanga ukuthi lokubuzayo ukuthi mhlambe angibeka nje mhlambe bafuthi abanye may have to want to hear said thing. Yeah, ngicela uNkulunkulu ngicela awusiphume njengamanje. Ngicela
Sacela mina bengithi ngibeke inamba yokwenza i-appointment ngoba ngithule. Inamba yokwenza i-appointment Oh, itholakala PRO.
Mr. Thole number, you can ask even him.
Who's Thole?
Thole, something like that. He's in Lonely. He's in charge of all the
Public Works.
public works. Yeah.
So
His office is in the parliament.
he's the one who gave you go ahead.
Yeah, he's the one who gonna issue that tenders. He said we are not doing it at the moment. When we did it, I will tell you.
So he promised you a tender, basically.
Yeah. After that, I spoke with my lawyers. Okay, he's handling the for Department of Work.
Yeah.
You know, he's keep on busy with them, and he was get a court order to stay here. You see, and after that, he was sent via I don't know for last year.
He advised you
Yeah.
to get a court order.
I don't know. He give advice for my lawyers. Yeah.
So basically, you admit that you are here without any form of an agreement, either with health or public works. Basically, there was never an agreement between the health
No, I
department.
have a letter for court. You know, to stay here. For
No, I mean, not the court. I'm saying
Yeah.
the court was just a mediator after you made an appeal.
Yeah.
But you are saying when you came in here, there was no agreement between you and public works or health department. There was no agreement with
Yeah,
them.
but that mama was just when was that CEO? She was came to that CEO to show each other. To this guy is like my son. He's working here at the moment, you know, and he's gonna continue that shop, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I pay for that mama, and I pay for every month rent. The rent was short because that mama was never paid for being long time for that shop for more than 2-3 years. He was never paid for rent. And I go to the office, they say the rent is too much short for this shop.
So you are paying rent right
Yeah,
now.
I'm
To who?
I'm paying for remaining of office in the hospital. Every month I'm paying.
But how they take money if there's no agreement?
I'm paying every month. I got all the sleep for since I'm sitting there. I got all the sleep from day to here.
Yeah.
I got it, yeah. And I pay the rent, which one was short for that mama. I pay for every month 200 rent, extra rent for since from that time to still now, you know.
She's circuit now. The mama is circuit now. You
Yeah.
are now paying the hospital.
Yeah, I'm paying for revenue. I got all sleeps, you know. Even a single month, I'll never be short with the rent, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell me, where's your documentation, your asylum seek? Do you have?
Yeah.
Where is it?
At home, I never bring it.